All right, so first Isaac will talk about what he did, and then Kai will talk about what he did, and then Deep will discuss what he did, and Deep will finally present the product. So Isaac, yeah.
Okay, so in this platformer, the main thing I worked on was the map for the entire platformer, which which didn't take that long, but it was pretty big. Just for like the first level, so like the platform that we made. And then I just kind of like helped out a little bit here and there with like the coding and such, and just finding things to help make it work out, I guess.
Awesome. All right, Kai.
Well, I did a lot of searching the web for things and inserting it into the game. I I also coded a few of the songs, which was nice. It wasn't it was difficult at first, but as I kept doing it, it got a lot easier.
Right. That's the whole point of it, That's the
Yeah.
point of us practicing, right? And finally, Deep, who's going to be presenting.
Yeah, so I did the side scrolling and the end screener. So the end screen, which was like if you die, there's another screen that pops up and then it says game over. And so the thing with this was I had to do a lot of research online. I had to look at a lot of videos to like see how I could incorporate like their logic into our code. So that was kind of the most difficult part, but it was manageable. So yeah.
Yeah. The main part about researching is how you can take what someone else did and incorporate it into your style, which is probably the hardest part of, researching, but it's better than, having to come up with it by yourself and wasting a lot of time. So the internet is a really powerful source, right? All right. So Deep, could you present the
Yeah.
game for me?
Yeah.
Make sure you share the windows so they can hear the audio.
Yeah.
Okay.